picture. We back with another video or another vlog because this is Vlogmas Part 2. Can we consistent for the rest of the vlog, rest of Christmas and shit like that. Yeah. Right now, as y'all seen the title, nigga, I'm finna be putting Christmas lights all over my vehicle. And yeah, so basically I got like 3 boxes, but I need like 2-3 more. I'm debating if I should get another one or should just rock with these 2 more. But yeah, I don't know, I'm debating because that should go 2 more, perfect. But I could go 3 more, I don't know. Dang, I don't know, dude. I could go. I want to go 3 more. But, all right, 250. Damn. I don't know. I'm gonna just rock out with these 2. If we need more, I'll just come out and get some more. But yeah, get back in with y'all when I'm either at the place I'm gonna put these on at or at the car. So yeah. Another quesadilla, Cajun fries. Is that gonna be chicken, cheese, or beef? Beef. Sweet tea. Can I get 2,000 sauce in that? That's all. Yeah, so basically, the dog's telling me that I need to wait until like 2 to pull up. It is. So, I'm gonna just sit here and eat and probably post a video, a POV video, and then I'll head over there and I'll videos, put stuff on, and then I'll probably do a POV. I'll probably show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all after at dark time, and then I'm gonna do a POV when it's on. So yeah, I'll come back with y'all niggas when we actually there. All right, y'all, we officially made it to the place. I'm gonna be putting my stuff on that, and so I got some help. They're gonna be over here in a minute. And yeah, as y'all see, I already bought a couple of boxes of these. I got one. I probably tried to put one on earlier this week. 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 boxes of these. Hopefully this is enough. If it's not enough, we can be heading back there later on today to get some more. And yeah, I'm gonna get back in with y'all when my niggas get over here. All right, we back. It's like an hour later. And I'm about to show y'all, this is not the finished project, but I gotta give some more lights. But this is what it's gonna be like for right now, because yeah, it's not bad. We just gotta get more lights. But I think it's solid. Y'all let me know. We ain't finished yet, but yeah. We still gotta put my lights going across the door right there. We finished this part. We finished all the back. Yeah, we didn't finish this back part for the most part. And then we're gonna just pretty much, we're gonna go from that side to this side. So we're gonna finish this side first, the left side. Then we'll go, we'll connect it all, see? We'll connect this all to the left, to the right side. Then when we get on the right side, finish the right side, we'll go to the roof and connect it all, and then I should be good. But we gotta finish this right here. We're gonna get this next. We're gonna do this next. We're gonna go from right here, come back around, then do that. And then it should be done. Then I'm gonna plug it up. And then the only thing I have to get is that little small generator jump so I don't use my battery up. Man, I'll be chilling. Like, I'll be good. So, yeah, I'll cut back with y'all when we get to Walmart first. Because, like, nigga, they about to get the car. We're not riding them on because it's not done yet. But we could. But we might as well just ride one car. So, yeah. I'll cut back with y'all when niggas get the car and put it around here. As it should be. Alright, nigga. We back in the motherfucker. Again, second time we do it. Yeah, you're getting ripped, but I gotta cut up the trash. I'm about to say, boy. You're doing it today. What is he doing? Come on, throw it away. How many about you stay on me?
Probably about 4 or 5.
4 or 5.
If you want to do all that you doing,
I'm almost at like 6. I'll do 5. What you think? How many more you really think you need? I don't know. You the expert, man.
I'm thinking 4 or 5. Because you got to think about it. Me, just to be able to do one door, think about it. Because I still got to do the 2 doors. That was 2 boxes each just to do them. And then your hood is going to be 1. And if you want to do the top, it's going to be another. So at least 4 or 5. But you also got to remember your front end too. Yep.
All right, go ahead and get that replacement.
Studio here.
I'll just get. You got one.
I can use my discount card for you.
For real?
I work at Walmart, man.
Damn, dog.
And I'll take off 10% off each one of these bad boys.
Damn. I use my card. Can you use that or no?
I'll swipe my card first and then you can do it.
Okay.
Cause I got your cover storage locked in. When I show y'all, we almost done. And I'm gonna show y'all a little job when we get to the shop later on tonight. Y'all finna come? Y'all finna come to the shop later on tonight?
I might.
What's like?
Not late, but like when it start time.
I might.
I'm gonna turn our lights off and put that bitch on.
I guess. I mean, yeah. We can do it later then too in the morning. Where's the shop at?
Alright. Sorry, sir. 600.
On 16.
Yeah.
Oh, right down 16?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
You going?
I'll slide.
I got it. Give me a little rub. You know what I'm saying?
Cause I was about to say, I didn't know what you was talking about.
I saw it really up and down though, cuz.
I'm about to say, Gold's getting kicked out of here today.
I need for my car, I need just a reindeer thing and the little red nose.
What if you got the red nose and do the lights around the red
No,
nose?
you be the Christmas tree and I'll be the reindeer.
Do that.
Where is that at though? What are they selling? Maybe over
Back-
the car stuff with me.
Yeah. We over here, over there. I saw something over there.
You did?
Yeah. Over my first time. I'm being a next side. I ain't gonna cap. Is it in 0.5?
Yeah. You're actually in 0.7, gang.
0.7?
Yes.
Who says it? Oh hell no, this is close as fuck.
I was about to say,
That's what
Ganley.
That shit probably have my fucking face looking goofy.
Hey, you've been about zoomed in this whole time. I was wondering.
I think it might be down to the right.
Yep.
Oh, I
I remember this. I might try to put a clip in. It's like, I don't know if I got any storage.
I need this.
My uncle got one of those. This shit's cost.
It's only $100.
You
Actually, I do know what I need.
10 millimeter.
I need that
13.
small ass screwdriver set.
Oh damn! I forgot to bring my shit from home. My fault, bro.
Hey, what we say?
Yeah, this right here, man.
This one will all in. Yeah, this one will be going out there.
I just step in there and shit, dude.
Bro,
Look, I just about busted my ass.
Nope, there's no.
get your bread, AJ. Slide back.
Hold on, man. I'm about to put I want to show that they do. I want to show that they do. I couldn't get it.
I told you what the goal was. Terrible.
Yeah, I get ready over there and they do that shit and throw my shit up in the air, but like, oh man, it's just my name. Hey, nigga, to the left.
You know, trying to slide. Yeah.
Actually, I have a different idea.
I ain't drop shit.
Where's that cheap wrapping paper? That one that was like 90%.
Damn, what if you wrap your shit in?
I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna wrap my hood, yeah.
Oh, that'd be hard.
He know that's not gonna stay on.
I don't want to stay on. I'm doing it for the pictures.
Yeah. And then, like, if he really wanted to, he could do it, like, where half is ripped off. Like somebody.
Yeah, like I just open my present.
Yeah. Okay. Once you get to yours, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna be permanent. So you might well fuck it.
I just say ball out.
All right, man. Fuck it tomorrow, dude. This nigga take off.
I'm telling you, he said he used to walk in these floors.
I guess we so this shit gonna sound funny. We sound nice, like we slow as hell.
He just walked like he got somewhere to be all the time. You doubling back on more money to spend, friend.
I might have to. I got this nigga. What the fuck is this nigga doing?
Yo, what just happened?
This nigga's over here.
He moving around like he not with us.
That nigga moving around like he at work.
Shorty was dumb tall. No, it's fine.
Thought she get ear piercings.
Yes.
Like a little goofy though. But my ear is like out. My ear is out. But I don't know. It might make my shit look hard.
I think it'd be hard, man. I'm not gonna lie.
I just might do it just cause your ear don't bleed, don't it? I don't think it bleeds.
Hell no. It's like, it's weird. It go through a part of your ear that's like, they don't bleed. It's like all this area right here just.
I just might do that shit. Where the fuck did he go?
Or you can get the magnetic.
Oh, he right there.
Yeah. AJ, you lucky you vlogged up, man.
I'll mess you up right there. I'll mess you up. You saw it right there, right? I'll mess you up. We can put it down real quick and then yeah. We ball.
We ball.
We ball. This nigga is
See, bro.
over here, went back over there.
Why is he calling you too? Why is he? Cut the video, man.
Alright, so it's a couple hours later. We at the shop right now. And I just turned on the lights on the car. We're not done yet. But this just, you know what I'm saying, in the making. This ain't actually look tough. I'm about to show y'all in a second. This ain't actually don't look bad. Especially because we're going to go back around for this door and then come back out. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all this. Let me know how it is, twin. We ain't done yet either. That shit tough or what, though? This shit is solid. It's not nothing OD. We ain't finished this side yet. But you know, that's... Sheesh, you feel me? Like, nigga, it ain't actually solid, though. It actually don't even look bad. But yeah. I'll probably cut back to when Nate get here, because right now, I'm finna finish editing this POV so I can post it. So, I'll get back in with y'all when Nate get here, dude. Alright, y'all. We back. We finally finished the lights and shit like that. And I put my car outside. I gotta go buy something else, the adapter to plug this up so I can keep it on running while I'm driving down the street. But I'm about to show y'all the finished product. This shit about to go stupid. Hold on, dude. Let me get across. This shit hard or what, twin? Tell me. Put me on game, twin. That shit hard, dude. That shit tough, dude. Let me know, dude. That shit tough or what? Got my boy right here. He helped me with the fucking... He helped me. My boy Nate. I'll put his shit down in the fucking description. This joint hard, dude. Rate this ain't 1 out of 10, y'all. Rate this ain't 1 out of 10 in the comments. This shit hard. This ain't took about 2 hours and I say about 9 boxes of lights for my job. And I might end up doing the roof. You see the roof is down. Oh, I stepped in some shit. Stepped in some down mud. Yeah, you see the, you know, we ain't did the roof. Well, you know, this shit's still hard as hell though. This shit tough. This shit tough, dog. But yeah, this is probably the end of the video. It should be a longer video. It should be like a cool 10 to 12 minute video. I'll put this out on probably Monday. But yeah. This is the end of the video, yo. It's supposed to be 8 seconds this man. And we finna head out. Actually, I probably will. I get a little POV for y'all riding this in the next video. So, yeah. But, it's cold as shit. So, I'll see y'all later.